I promise it'll be fast, Elon. Bob Schickei from Thomson Reuters. India just launched a mission to Mars, $75 million to get that thing. Was it, as Astro Teller said, a miracle? Or is there something fundamental about the Indian space industry that allowed them to do a mission like that for so cheap? And if so, is there something that we can pick up and learn from that?
I think it's a very impressive mission, given that it was executed by a government entity. It's like really, really impressive. I mean, impressive no matter who's doing it, but from a cost standpoint, impressive because it's being done by a government entity. Ultimately, we have to be able to do missions to Mars for much less than that. Otherwise, it'll be impossible to establish a self-sustaining civilization on Mars. Because we'll have to transport millions of tons of cargo, millions of people, and the cost of moving to Mars has to be affordable. Otherwise, people won't be able to go. So it has to ultimately come down by a couple orders of magnitude from that level.
Sub $1 million then.
A couple orders of magnitude, I'd say well below $1 million, yeah.